Super Sonic and Super Shadow deciding to join forces in the new Sonic movie. So they're kind of like grabbing hands, you know, that scene where they kind of like explode into their super forms. It's kind of cool. Cool moment. So let's try it. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Going to start with Sonic over here. So go big frown. Like so. And then square eye, sort of coming down here. Like the front of his eye is like here. Pretty much his eye shape. And he's kind of like frowning pretty heavy, goes back that way. Okay, his pupil kind of looking over to the side here, so it's like a skinny sort of circle, right? Right, and then the long black pupil just there as well, looking over that way. So his nose then sort of sticks out. So say, well, we got like the front of his snout sort of first. There. And then his nose sort of comes out this way, a big round sticky up sort of nose there. Kind of like that. And then he has where the pink skin sort of joins, you know, the pink fur around his mouth sort of joins the yellow fur here. It's like a separation just of colors. And then from the nose, we're going to bring this down. It goes around here. Does it go behind his shoulder? Probably does. So maybe let's just stop it there and then finish the other side coming around from his eye. So give him a big confident smile, right? So let's go kind of like that. Then we finish the head. So his other eyebrow kind of sticks out here. And this will go down to that, go around behind his ears up to the first spike, right? So it'll go, you know, and you can make it textured like fur if you want. You don't have to do that. It's kind of more realistic to the movie if you do it. Right, goes that way, and we can see an ear sticking out that way. But you could do a smooth line, you know, more cartoony style if you wanted. And then we have a big ear sort of here, just on his, sort of this side of his head. It has an inner part. And some sort of hair that way. You might hear my daughter in the hallway crying. Right, so when he's like Super Saiyan, he's like Goku, you know, from Dragon Ball. So this sort of hair spike, they stick up rather than down the way he normally is. Kind of like in Dragon Ball. So that's like the first one, and then the next one sort of goes maybe close to his ear here, so it kind of goes like this way. And it comes down. I think we like hit the next one then that comes out from about eye level there. So we'll start it here anyway. Close enough to like his eye level. Just 3 spikes. And then this will eventually disappear sort of behind his shoulder, which joins another spike on his back as well. So like a smaller spike. So say his shoulder's here and his arm goes that way. So then there's like a little bitty baby spike on his back there. So then this spike finishes in there. Now if you want, like, you can do some textures, you know, because some of these strands of fur are glowing and all that kind of stuff. If you wanted to throw some glitter on it or something. So you just do some textures on his skin. That's allowed. So his arm kind of comes out just from here. And then he has another sort of spike on his back this way. And then his back comes down to like his leg. Like he's pretty straight there, and then his tail sticks up. So he's got a belly coming out from underneath his arm. And it goes down his leg this way. And then he has like a different color fur on the front. There. And then his like leg goes off that way. Like so. That's like his stance, sort of. It's like another, maybe a hair spike around the other side of his body as well. Sorry, cracking my knuckles. So, knuckles, oh my god. His arm is going up and grabbing Shadow's. So like his wrist sort of starts here, and the other one down that way, and his sort of little bumpy sort of wrist thing that he wears is like here on top of everything. Right. Okay, so this is the tricky part now, because they're like, you know, they're doing that sort of thing. So you can see their kind of hands overlapping, right? You might not see thumbs, but it's kind of tricky to draw. So say if I did Sonic's sort of knuckles first. 1, 2, he has 4, 3, 4, right? And then, so what I'll do, make it a bit easier. So we'll go just with knuckle or Shadow's fingers here, just coming over, right? Kind of like so. And then his wrist thing is kind of just hanging down here, like the wrist of his glove. There. So they're doing a handshake down here. It's like a different sort of thing. So we can see Sonic's thumb first, and then all Shadow's fingers down there. And then we can see like Sonic's fingers. Coming around here. And then Shadow's golden wristband. That way. So his arm goes right up to where like his head is. So we'll try and do that. So he's got like this edge of his glove. And then his arm, pretty much nearly straight. Right, pretty much his head is like right here. So he's got like his chin there. And his shoulder sort of goes back again that way, and his chest is here, right? And he's a real sort of spiky, furry chest. Make it his body in first. Make his belly that way. He's that different color on his chest, and the rest of his body is kind of the same. And his leg goes forward. That way. And then he's got a tail. There. And his other leg goes back. We don't have to draw shoes or anything. So we get like a big spike here. Up to the shoulder, kind of like Sonic. Then another spike in behind. I'm going to do his arm, join the arms. So we'll go to his elbow and up to his glove. Now if I go too fast, remember, just pause the video. Just hit that pause button. Okay, let's try for his head now. So, say like, so I want to get everything in the right place. So we'll do his little cheek, right? So we'll go this pink line here, just to make sure we're not off target, right? Right, so then the bottom of his eye is there. And then it goes up that way, and then he has the frown, kind of like Sonic. Down the back. And then like that means his nose. His nose is here. Right. So we get his eye in as well, kind of like Sonic's eye. So a long, skinny iris, and then his long, thin pupil looking over there. He's kind of smiley too, so and then we got like some bumpy frowning. We can see his other eye, a little bit of it. So we can see his forehead going out that way, and then a bit of his other eye. So I'll put it in there. And then like some of that red just visible. Okay, and then he's got that red streak there. Okay, so we'll just go for these spikes now. They kind of like stick up as well, maybe a bit more. But his ones kind of stick up anyway, so we'll just go back this way. Right, and then this is kind of round. So it goes into his ear, right? So we got like another spike sticking up here. Down. Okay, where's his ear? It's here. Looks like it's here. And then we have that red section, that red V, sort of in the middle of the forehead. So we'll do it sort of there. Okay. And his ear on the other side, kind of sticking out here. And then we'll do in the rest of those spikes, right? So sticking up this way. It's like the one that sticks up the most, and then we have the red section. And then the next one, put it here. And this one just goes down into his shoulder. And then that has a little red section there. Might be some hair here, something there. And then if you want, of course, like lightning sort of coming out of this, like all this sort of energy and so. And maybe kind of some textures just on his head, on his fur, you know. There we go. Sonic and Shadow team up. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. Super Sonic and Super Shadow. See you in the next one. Bye.